Please remain seated for the duration of the ride and the beach bus will stop to a complete stop. Enjoy your ride on Up, Up, and Away.
Up, up, and away!
Yay!
Hello, anak.
Hello, hello!
Scared na? You know? Na?
Oh!
Huwag tatakot, ha?
Yay! Dito ko sa baby, oh! Hello! Hello! Tito Wena, oh! Hi, Wena! Wena! Hello! Oh. Ano? Hilo ka, anak?
Naku, Papa.
Hello!
Okay ka lang, na?
Huwag mo tignan yung ano, iikot na.
Okay lang, bebe ko?
Huwag mo tignan.
Tingin na lang dito kay mama.
Matingin ka lang kay mama.
Tingin kay mama dito, mahal ko.
Natatakot yung anak mo. Natatakot na, bebe.
Di ba preview video na yan,
Ay, natakot na nga.
Okay lang, okay lang?
Kaya natakot ka. Natatakot na po ang aking anak. Ay, ito, hello. Hello. Woo.
Okay lang, be?
Yupi, yupi, away.
Okay lang, bebe?
Woo.
Okay lang ikaw, okay? Bilay ko sumuka, ha?
Kaya mo pa, anak? Hoy. Ang tapang yung baby ko eh. Hey! Ang galing!
Okay lang, di ba?
Okay lang daw, sabi ng anak ko.
Okay
Yeah.
lang?
Oo.
Say, okay.
Okay!
Okay, Papa, okay.
Okay!
Okay, ganun okay, oh. Yan.
Woo! Woo! Ayun, tapos na.
Okay lang?
Ah.
Okay na. Bye-bye. Sayang
Please
pala sa
remain
Tito
seated
Virgo.
with seatbelts fastened and doors locked until the ride
Wait
comes to a
lang.
complete stop. Kindly take your
Nagpapawisa
seats
naman
for any
ako.
loose belongings that you might leave behind. Should you wish to ride once more, please alight and kindly fall in line again. Thank you for riding Up, Up, and Away. And have a
Up, up,
wonderful
and
day
away.
and enchanted kingdom.
Kati, i-zoom mo. Zoom mo